Hello guys. First of good morning to everyone. Today we are going to gather here conversation. So before going to ahead, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Akshay Vikas Pagare, and I am also the student of Shape Institute English speaking from the Gold Batch, and I am the old student. And this is my 115 session on FB Live. So I would like to request to so much today. Please introduce yourself.
Okay, so first of all, I would like to thanks to you that you had invited me in this conversation, and congratulations, you had completed your 105 your live sessions, and it is not a joke. There need consistency, and definitely will something issue. And definitely you will complete a 200 live sessions, because in your not near 95 is remaining, but you had crossed the 105, so definitely you will crack that a 200 challenge. So this congratulations. And first of course, going ahead, I would like to introduce myself. Hello everyone, my name is Son Ujwala Tarde, and I am the student of 02 English Academy from Diamond Batch, and my dream is to become an English confident is 16 August 2023, and my ambition is to become an IAS officer till 2035. And I am learning in 7th standard from RGS English High School from English medium. So you can go ahead.
So sorry for that. Actually, light also went, and we are doing session. That is the really very amazing thing. I would like to say that, means see, how was your preparation in grand finale 9?
So thank you. You had given chance me first to tell. So my preparation in grand finale 9 was that no anything. Nothing. Just we are following the 21 days challenge. You had heard 28 days challenge, 21 days challenge. Did you heard that? You also follow that. Why? Because this challenge is necessary to enter in grand finale. And also this challenge is also given us so many confidence to speak with well qualified people like say doctor, engineer, and all we can say any well qualified. So that given us confidence, that given us energy to talk with them. And really that challenge was super awesome, because every day we wake up and we think about what we have to do, what we have to do today, what our team will get, how our team will get points, and what planning we should do. So this we think at least for our team. Then my preparation for grand finale was I would like to tell. On grand finale day, our training were there at in morning, something 10 o'clock. So I went. After that in afternoon, I get 3 hours for practice. But in that 3 hours, I had prepare one motivation thought. Second, I had improve my some mistakes, grammatical mistakes, and third I improve. I will not fear. I will not fear the stage. Stage should fear me, because I always think that in this is not a stage. This is not a stage. This is my first step of success. And if we think like this, so definitely we are going to be English confident. So this was my planning and also preparation for grand finale. And when I went on stage, so that time I was not be thinking on stage. I was not thinking about people, how they will see me and how they will means say about me. I always keep in my mind, I should not fear, they should fear to me. So like this, if we can create these lines or this thinking. So definitely our work will be done. So this is my preparation for grand finale 9. So I would like to request you, please you can tell first topic.
I would like to tell that when I have started this 21 day challenge activity, what I have to do, how I have to perform, what will happen, like Sir made us group, who is the leader, how he going to handle. Yes, you was my leader. We was engineers team. We did so much fun. We did so many things. We did so many assignments. We did, you did like very qualified people. You took. Conversation in classes, so like these things are there which are the very important. So in grand finale 9 I have found that I have to speak confidently. Yes, I have habit of consistency. Now I have done today 400 videos, so that is a very my biggest achievement, I can say. That is my plus point, because everyone by watching me becoming inspiration, it is not an joke. So that thing actually I found in a 21 day challenge, how I have to follow the activity every day. I have to make video. I was making, but somewhere I used to come challenges, so I couldn't make. So how overcome from that challenge, so that thing all about I have learned in in grand finale 9. So I like to request that you can ask me next question.
Okay. So you tell that a preparation was my good and also inspiration also we got. So I would like to tell my biggest learning when I was presenting on the stage. So that time I was seeing the people. Okay, everyone sees that. But I was hearing a seeing you also. I was seeing a here middle and this also people's. So I got to know how people are watching to me. That's not the point. I'm going to tell here that when I saw old students, they are watching to me. So I get that yes, I am doing something good because old student their English is so much different because they had struggled many times. They had struggled many times in their years. So their English is very different. And some people what do one formula is this. Some people do they do only anticipate. They do only anticipate and they then do apologize. What they do only anticipate and then they do apologize. I would like to say here that the people only think that how I will do and what they only thinking and then they got to know or I want to do that but I can't do because these challenges were there, that challenges were there. But without thinking this, if the student can solve that challenges, so now he will perform on stage. But he didn't took that action. So that's why these peoples are there. They anticipated and they apologize. So this and second, I would like to tell my biggest learning. I didn't apologize. Didn't apologize means I didn't wait for something. It means first time I went stage and I was feeling yes, I should do this. Yes, I can do it. Why the people or students giving presentation and why I cannot? I joined this class and after that I had seen the Sushma Erkar's speech. She is the girl that is super awesome because their speech and their words is different, amazing. So I watched that and I got inspiration. So in grand finale also I am doing copy of that girl Sushma Erkar. Some not copy. We cannot do copy of anyone, but we can try like she or her. We can try like she or his. Okay, so we can try. So this thinking I fit and I got my biggest learning. We should not stop. We should not stop. There one thought available in Marathi. जर तुम्ही पुन्हा पुन्हा जर तुम्ही पुन्हा पुन्हा तीच चूक नवीन चूक करत असाल जर तुम्ही पुन्हा पुन्हा नवीन चूक करत असाल तर तुम्ही हे समजून घ्या की तुम्ही प्रगतीच्या मार्गावर आहात. Can I
It
repeat?
is okay.
Or
Nice thought. Actually, yes, it is the very great thing which you want to do. Like you are managing thought. What you are the very small. How you have to perform. That also you have idea. How you are going to speak. Now you have went in a diamond batch. So that is a great thing. Like you are going to speak confidently. You are learning so many new things. So nice. Keep doing. So I would like to tell my biggest learning. Yes, I can say I was very weak. I was couldn't speak even in English also one word. That was my very much biggest challenge. And I would like to say that means see when I have started making the video, it is my really biggest learn. I have done 400 now. So it is my from 25 March 2021. From there, I have started making. Still now also I couldn't stop. So it is called as a consistency. Somewhere I did not take break also. I have to make everyday video. So because of that, I need to speak confidently. I have started speaking confidently. I have found that experience like which I want to. Oh, I want that very important thing. Facing the camera. That is my biggest improvement. Then I would like to say from whom actually I have motivate like in speaking. So I have seen Bhavna ma'am, Bhavna Pandey. So she was speaking like confidently. She was doing like so much big hard work, and she was speaking like very confident. I also said I want to also be like her, but yes, for becoming like her, I really did so much hard work. Literally, even I couldn't even I like this. I have started doing practice. Literally 1 hour, 2 hour. I was doing practice. So that is my biggest learning from all about this session, and because of whatever I have today, because of only to Gautam sir, and I really would like to say thank you so much to him, and I have reached at this stage only from him.
yes, so I am starting third topic. Our third topic is our planning for YUM 5. YUM 5 means Mission 5. So what my planning is there? So first here I would like to clear that we should not anime anyone. We should not anime anyone because if we going to anime anyone, so we are not going to be successful. Here I would like to tell that we should not copy anyone because if we can copy, so definitely we will become successful. But what is the use of that? You will copy, and someone speak in English very nice, and he or she has very confident in English, very fluent in English. But you can't copy because he has that experience, and you by seeing 2 minutes you can't speak English. So don't copy first. So this is my first. Second, for a planning mission 5 is that like this 4 mission we had attended, mission 1, mission 2, mission 3, mission 4. In that we got a 1 day, full day speech given chance also, and confidence also we can say. Students see us and they also got something biggest learning. But we should not think that we are presenting in on means before the students. We should think that we are a teacher and we are teaching the secondary level students, and if we teach any of the wrong, so definitely our means what we can say, our speaking will abolish because secondary level students, 8 9 10, 8 9 10, so they know everything English and all. Some students don't know. Here what I am going trying to say that we should not copy first. Second, we should not think that we are a student and we are giving presentation. We should think that we are teacher. If any mistake will be there, so principal will reject us. Principal will reject us. We should think like that. Then we will take the right words. Then we will take the right decisions. What we have to speak, how we have to present ourselves, and we will complete our speech very nice. So this is my planning, and every day we should talk with well qualified people. I'm talking with company manager, is top level chemical engineer I am talking, so every day. So we should keep talking like this. Language is not any of the learning or that, and language is skill. If we develop the skill, so definitely all things are going to be balanced. So this skills we should have, not to learn only English and all. We should get job and all. We should get the skill. Life is the learner. LLL, lifelong learner. This formula we should understand. So if we understand this, so definitely our life will be bright. So I would like to tell you, you can tell your third point.
Okay. See, Mission 5 is like, sir, now started. We have to arrange like a session, a election, motivational session. Like these thing activities sir are going to conduct, and that we have to perform. We have to speak confidently. We get idea how we have to present, where we are lost our confidence, how we have to hold the mic, and that thing are very very much important. So that training we are going to get in Mission 5. Like in Mission 5, we are excited what will happen, who will come the top, and how will be the performance, like who is going to speak, means very much, so thoughts, like thought are very important, which session you are going to attend. So we are going to giving speech, so that presentation should want, clear and confident, and we have to connect with audience, and we have to manage 80/20 principle. We have to manage so many things. So this is the all about Mission 5 activity, and yes, Mission 5, it will be very great, it will be very excited, it will be very beautiful, I can say. So that thing are very very much important to me in Mission 5, and I'm also waiting for Mission 5. So that is my opinion of all about these three activity. So here we are going to end our session. So thank you so much guys to listen to till end us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.